Meaning of hegemony.
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 Hegemony. Hegemony refers to the dominance or leadership of one country or social group over others. It is often used in the context of international relations to describe a situation in which one powerful country exerts its influence and control over weaker countries. The concept of hegemony is closely associated with power, control, and the ability to shape the political and economic reality. Hegemonic powers can use a variety of strategies, including military force, economic coercion, and cultural diplomacy to maintain their dominance. The term was popularized by Italian Marxist theorist Antonio Gramsci.